It's hard to believe that a single rainforest contains 10% of all known species on Earth. I always grew up thinking that a place like this would be too dangerous for me to ever visit. But with the help of experienced guides, I was able to explore a small part of the world that very few people get to see. In this video, we'll travel through Peru's enormous network of rivers to learn about what life is like in the jungle. Welcome to the Amazon. We're in Iquitos and we're going straight to the jungle. We didn't spend too much time in Iquitos. We came last night and then we're leaving this morning. Very local city, not many tourists here. And our guide was saying that there's no access to Iquitos by road. So you have to either take a plane or get a boat here. And the reason why this town is so popular is back in the day, they used to be major producers of rubber. So that was booming back then, but now they don't really do anything. Made a quick stop at a little place to eat along the road to the Amazon. I think it should be like 1 or 2 hours by car and then 1 or 2 hours by boat. Very exciting. Gracias, amigo.
Estoy haciendo por Ricardo Palma. Ahí está en la esquina, ahí está pues.
Iquitos is known as the gateway to the Amazon because it's one of the most accessible places to enter the Amazon from. But in order to get to the actual rainforest, we had to drive an hour and a half to the small riverside town of Nara. At the border of Nara, we transferred to rickshaws and drove another 20 minutes to the actual port where our boats were stationed. It was clear from driving through the small towns along the way that most of these people rely on simple jobs to make a living. It almost felt like what was once a thriving community came to a sudden stop in development. It's crazy. Where are we going? We just got on the boat. This is a different river, but this river flows into the Amazon. So we're gonna take this, go downstream, and it's gonna link up with the Amazon River. The flow of this river is really fast. He said it was like 8 kilometers per hour. And then on the bottom of the river, it's like double that. So it can sometimes create whirlpools. From Nara, we had to make a 2-hour-long journey by boat to the lodge. One thing I noticed is that we usually stayed pretty close to the shore when we were going upstream. This was to minimize resistance against the water current because the water was moving much faster in the center than near the shore. I got some rain over there coming in. A group. What's up? This is the lodge, and that's where we're going to be staying for the next 2-3 nights. Just a quick little view of our room. We got the mosquito nets for each bed. It's going to save us at night, I think. Pretty nice accommodation actually for the middle of nowhere. Very nice bathroom as well. Power's only from 6 to 9 p.m. which come from the generator. And there's always some sort of like noise in the back, usually some birds, but it's constant.
Travel only by boat, and they have elephants actually, wild elephants.
You don't feel the bite
And
they are easier to
let me see the pictures though.
We're starting our first safari into the Amazon on these little boats. We've only been here for like 2-3 hours and it has already rained twice. So we're definitely in the right place. Every time I stepped on this boat, I knew we would see something that I've never seen in my life before. Just going up and down the rivers was an adventure on its own. Even though it just looked like a bunch of trees to us, our guide Freddy was able to quickly spot birds, monkeys, and even sloths from a really far distance. Everything on the other side of the water has literally been never touched before, and like no one knows what's on the other side because the Amazon is just so big. It's a really weird feeling, but also really cool at the same time. This is our first day in the Amazon. We already saw a few monkeys. We were going upstream on this one river and took like a little right turn into this lake. So that's why the water is really calm here. And there's sloths right there. How cool is that? Out of that little segment where we went to the river, to a different river. Now we're on to another main river again. A beautiful sunset over the Amazon. Super blue skies, blue and gray clouds. We're at the lodge, about to have dinner. And the sounds are crazy. It's just constant birds. And the guide was saying, his name is Freddy. Freddy was saying that every few hours the rhythm changes because the birds making the sound changes. So like in a certain time of the day, it might be a certain species making a certain sound. And then a few hours later it might be a totally new group of birds making a different sound. So it's like a symphony that changes throughout the day. Super cool. And you can only see as far as the light goes. After that, complete wilderness. We saw an amazing sunset today too. I had a great time today. And this is only the first day. We have 2 more days. There wasn't really much to do at night. Since there was no signal, we had to find other ways to keep busy. It was actually really nice to get off the grid for a few days. This was the main area where everyone usually came to talk and play games. We also met a couple other people who were staying the night here, so we hung out with them for a bit before going out on the night excursion.
Ain't no use to sitting wondering why, baby. Even if you don't know by now. Ain't no use to sitting wondering why, baby. It doesn't matter anyhow.
We're starting our first night hike. Pretty wild, super dark. Let's see what happens.
Big toad.
Oh, whoa! Oh my god, that's so big! It's a toad.
It's a toad.
Oh my god. That's like my arm, dude.
Yeah, more bigger than your hand.
Yeah.
Is that compare? Look. Wow. Look, so many mosquitoes here. You see it?
That's so big.
That's actually the biggest spider I've ever seen.
Oh my god. Wait, what are you doing? Was that you?
No.
Oh my god.
It's a morph.
Yo, this is not the time to play games.
No, there's an actual moth, bro.
You walk like 2 feet, already saw the biggest toad I've ever seen.
And
The biggest spider I've ever seen. Apparently it's called a scorpion spider. I don't even know what that means.
Remember, it's not a adult. It's small.
This is small?
It can grow more. Double size.
Oh, one here.
Yeah. Yeah. This is another very tiny.
Very tiny.
Very tiny. Oh my, they're so fast!
Yeah.
Oh my god! Yo, what the hell? Dude, I would die within like 2 hours of being here at night. 30 minutes.
Walking to the toad.
Max. If you fall here.
Oh my god.
Whoa, what?
Bro, come here.
I don't know if I want to see it.
Oh my goodness gracious.
What am I looking at?
Come here.
I'm scared.
Come here,
It's close?
No more. Just come across the branch.
Oh no, I'm scared. What am I looking at? Oh! No! That's not real! What the?
It's a pink toad tarantula.
Is it poisonous?
No, tarantula's not poisonous.
They're not poisonous? Do they bite?
They can bite, but it's not poisonous.
Do they usually bite or not usually?
No, they don't bite.
Wait, where did he go?
Where'd it go? Wait, holy shit, I think you put it on.
No, I'm out. Please, where did it go, Freddy? Where did it go?
Inside.
Inside? You promise?
Yeah.
Freddy! Yo, I'm trying to just go back to our hotel. This is so wild. Look at the mud. I'm going like feet deep. Dude, I'm gonna die here, bro. It's like quicksand, bro. I can't get my feet out. Dude, what the fuck? Dude. Yo, where's Freddy taking us, bro?
Yeah.
Oh wow, nice.
Yeah.
Nice, very nice if I can get there.
It's a toad.
I don't got time to focus on toads right now.
See it?
Very
Cool.
nice.
They have like a horn.
Okay.
It has it's a toad. The frog is long leg. Toad is short leg.
Okay. Very nice.
Spider.
Spider.
Dead. Dead spider. And all the parents they say don't touch this, don't touch that one.
Okay.
Yeah, sometimes they are telling that because you're make you fierce.
Okay.
They say they don't touch anything.
Yeah.
Yeah. The morph is eating fruit.
Oh yeah. Red, right?
Yeah, this way there.
Red eyes. Oh my god, what is that? Spider?
Yeah, it's eating something.
Oh my god. Holy shit.
alive?
Yeah, you wanna test it? No. Alright, that's alive. Oh my god.
It's eating another spider.
It's eating another spider?
Another spider. Mira, James.
Do they jump or no?
James, señor. Me come la otra araña, ¿ves? Mami, ve. It's eating another.
Holy shit.
What can be the male?
Oh yeah. Male eating the female, right?
It's eating, the female is eating the male.
Oh, female eats the male?
The female eats the male.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We're gonna walk past that. Like nothing happened. Definitely wild. Freddy's just chopping down stuff with his machete.
La boy.
So big. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Freddy.
Here. I blow. Jump.
Oh my god. So it's an owl, that's the eye, but
Two
there's also a
eyes,
snake,
Yeah.
which is the eyes on the right. How cool is that? If you look at it, the snake is looking to the right,
Wait a minute.
and the bottom is like the bottom right is like the mouth. But then it's also an owl.
If you open, like an owl.
Yeah,
And yeah, if
that's
you
awesome.
close, like a snake.
My boy Freddy just spotted something. I don't know how they spotted it this far. I think it's the eyes, but even then. Running down.
We have a possum. It's a mouse. It's a mouse there.
Oh. How did he see it that far?
Oh. What is that? Oh, it's small.
Oh wow, that's a rat, right?
No,
or a possum.
A possum.
Oh wow, look at the eyes. It's 4 in the morning and it's raining crazy right now. Finished my first night in the Amazon. So cool. The whole night, just sounds. It's kind of hard to go to sleep, it was that loud. A lot of birds chirping. After a while, like midway through, it was just raining the whole night. And that's why all these trees are still wet and you can still hear the rain dripping from the trees. And it got really hot. I was like sweating in there. Super humid. I couldn't really sleep. And there were still a couple mosquitoes that got in through the net, but that's part of the fun. So many puddles now. And last night was absolutely crazy. I've never seen tarantulas so big before. I've never seen toads so big before. I've never seen so many spiders. And it was super muddy. Like you would step and then you can't get your feet back up. And they even had like special boots they gave us, but those did not help with the mud. At least getting the foot out of the mud. We still got 2 more days, so I'm excited to see what we'll see. This is what the lodge looks like. It's like the main area where people have lunch and breakfast and dinner and just hang out in the free time. And then that's the entrance over there. It's where all the boats dock. And you come up here. It's the main room. What's up, man? A little sitting area over here. And there's one path just leads to the 3 different rooms they have. And I think they're planning on expanding it a little bit more. Starting off day 2 of the Amazon tour. Today's plan is to boat for a few minutes and then do like a 2-hour hike through the wilderness. Last night we saw a lot of cool stuff, so I'm assuming tonight we will as well. Super rainy last night, so I don't know if that affects how much the animals are out or not.
Don't swim yet. In the afternoon we're gonna swim.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
I wonder if I'm gonna get in this water.
You ready? Day 2.
Let's go.
Let's go. We got Freddy, captain of the ship.
Yeah.
Hola, señor. Oh shit. And we're here. Estamos aquí.
Hola. 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 Toma. He's so smooth. Monkey meets monkey.
Wow, look at that. Monkey meets monkey. This is crazy. It's so hard to move. Yeah, my feet are getting stuck in here. Go closer, go closer.
Oi.
Look at that. Look how big the roots are.
Take.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay. So
Now you're good.
6'2" man with machete.
Now you're safe.
The tree's like
6'2", right? Wow, look at this. There's like space in between.
You can sleep here.
It's a good place to sleep or no?
Yeah. We can set up the tent.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, I did many times with a hammock. Put one here. When there, you tie up the hammock.
Okay.
Put the plastic, you can sleep.
It's a nice space
Yeah, it's a nice place.
until a tarantula comes walking up your ass.
Yeah, it's a nice good tree. You see it? Ficus, we have ceiba, ficus, wimba, different trees. It's gonna be your medicine. But
You'll get better. You'll get
not
better. I
this
believe
one,
it. I
not
believe
this
it.
one, not this one.
Okay, not this one, right?
No, no,
Okay,
this
okay.
is the fruit. I'm gonna give you to smell only, don't eat, okay?
Okay.
Don't eat.
Don't worry about that.
This is the plant, but we're gonna use a young one. It's very juicy. You can have for you anti-diarrhea. Smell.
Oh wow.
Oh, it smells good. Wow.
Smells like
It's from this tree?
Yeah.
guava. Smells like guava a little bit.
Do you know how they call this? Ubos.
Okay.
But many places they set up the name, or they name it like the fruit of 7 flavor. Because sometimes you can tangerine,
Okay.
like a mango,
Oh,
like
interesting.
a water mango, like an orange, and other fruits.
Yeah.
This is what the local people call the fruit of 7 flavor. Some in different people,
different stuff.
guava, yeah, tangerine, orange, pineapple, watermelon, melon. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes it depends the person. They can smell. One day I was, what is this? Oh, pineapple. No,
So same
orange.
person can smell
It
different
is
things.
no
Oh.
different person smell
Oh,
different
okay,
way.
I see, okay.
Yeah, not the same person. This is
Okay.
what we call the fruit of 7 flavor.
Okay.
Yeah, when you prepare ice cream, delicious.
Oh really?
Yeah, a juice.
He loves ice
delicious.
cream. Make him medicine in ice cream form. He'll eat it.
A alguien le encanta el helado.
Yeah.
Así que la medicina le damos tiene que ser como chocolate.
Why'd you say so?
Wait.
Send it. Send it.
Yo.
I need some content. I
Wait,
need
just
some content.
stay still, stay still.
Don't move, okay?
Surgical operation in the Amazon. Because this little dude couldn't handle it.
Good content?
Good content.
Yeah.
Yeah. Please subscribe and like this video if you're enjoying this.
Post it on like doctors.com.
WebMD.
Voy a traer el móvil.
I'm feeling like lightheaded.
From what, the pain or just?
No, I'm like, it's like going dark.
Okay, I think he's not doing well. I think. Wait, can you sit him down? He's going. I think he's
Yeah. Okay.
Can you hold him? Can you hold him?
Sure.
You want to sit him down?
Yeah, I can sit it down.
Drink water. You gotta get like hella water, dude.
Drink it. Prendido está pa. Ya está. Okay, amigo.
What does that do?
Pubos. This is gonna no infection.
Oh, infection.
Infection like that. And it's help too. The spike is there. In the afternoon when it has a little bowl of water, it's gonna easier to press and take out.
Is the spike is still there?
Yeah,
Oh,
but
really?
it's really
Oh, okay.
yeah, the other spike.
Here, Freddy tried to call a bird over by whistling at it. You can even hear the bird responding back. But after a few attempts, Freddy thought the bird might be communicating with another bird, so he moved on.
Head, only the head, because the head is the acid, special acid for any kind of wound or special teeth. You can take 10 head, the cotton, and 10 minutes. The secret is 10 head, 10 minutes. You can press. After 10 minutes, don't move.
Oh my lord.
Is it a fire ant?
Yeah. Why is
This guy's getting wrecked.
Yeah. Okay. And
Let's continue moving. I think we saw enough of these fire ants. I think I get the idea of them.
there is some. This is why I told you don't touch any tree. Here,
Yeah.
there are more. Can you see it?
It's like.
Look at not having a good day today.
You need to survive today. No, today of course.
You only get stronger.
We don't need to think for tomorrow.
How did
Today
you
is the challenge.
did it fall on him?
Huh?
How did you see the ant behind him?
Me, I was watching him.
Oh,
I saw walking.
wow.
Yeah.
How did I thought they were only on the trees. They're like.
You look like a tree.
And, oh yeah.
You look like the stump, right?
I like the branch now.
No, sometimes fall from the tree. It's gonna fall from the tree.
Amazon. How do you say Amazon in Spanish?
Amazonas.
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 ¿Es las Amazonas?
No, el Amazonas.
El Amazonas.
El río Amazonas.
Río Amazonas. El Amazonas.
El Amazonas is the river, Amazon River. Amazon River.
El Amazonas. es
El
el
Amazonas.
río.
When you say La Amazonía, it means all the
La
forest.
Amazonía.
Amazonía peruana and Amazonía colombiana.
Okay.
You need to Amazonía peruana. But this is different. This is a parasite. I want to teach about this. We have epiphyte tree, right? Epiphyte, it can grow in one tree, but it doesn't kill the tree. It can grow in any branch. Epiphyte, it can grow another tree, but it's it's grow, but it doesn't kill. The parasite come like this, like epiphyte, but this one is gonna start to strangle. It's gonna hawk. in the future, this tree is gonna die because you see, go all the way up, they go to the bottom and they close, and the main tree doesn't receive any sun. Finally, this leaf and this die.
So this is a parasite?
This is a parasite.
The whole branch?
This is the parasite. You see it? Look, the roots how it's grow. Then when it's grow one branch, from the branch come out one root. And the roots go to the bottom and they suck all the nutrients. Yeah, what they have, what they need it. See
Oh,
it?
they take the nutrients away from the tree?
Yeah. This is why they go
okay,
first.
okay.
That's how they make stable.
Is this ficus?
It's a ficus. Yeah, we have ficus tree, we have a ficus bush, we have ficus vine.
What are you making there for us?
Make a holy bottle.
Tie it on your face.
Hold it.
We're just gonna tie it around his neck. Damn.
Now you can drink.
Drip down.
Drip, dude.
Easy access to water.
It's a new Patagonia necklace.
Fire ants? No. Only bullet ants. Go. What? Oh, okay. I see.
Dang. Oh shit. Hey, go straight in the fire ant. Woo! Oh shit. Thank you, hummus.
Happily you're not heavy.
Oh. Hummus is having a good time on the swing. You don't show them this part?
Just walk right past it.
Bueno.
Vámonos, Fred.
Do some tricks for sure.
You're gonna show off.
Do
Show
backflips
off.
and shit.
Deserves it. Best guide I've had. Oh. Oh my god. Look how tall the swing is. Just keeps going. Oh my god. Es un mono. Look how big this tree is.
For many years, the indigenous they were praying
Crazy.
to God this tree.
It's crazy. Oh, straight water. Hope there's no animals down there. You have to go super slow. Water's getting really close to the boots. One wrong step and your boot is filled with water. And who knows what else. Adios, adios. Hella light day in the Amazon today. It's like a 2-hour hike.
Arush, you survived.
What?
You survived, man.
Survive.
Congratulations. Thanks to you. Yeah, you did your best, really. I'm serious. I'm smiling, but I'm serious.
Or just knocked out.
No, yeah.
Got a few bites on my lips. On here, on here. Pretty itchy, but I guess whatever, just what it is.
I didn't see much, you know, like I just went for a walk to like the Plaza de Armas and like along
This is where the kitchen is. But they do not mess with the food. Every meal has been delicious.
Falar da minha vida pra você é o que se você vai me ajudar. Eu quero amigo pra chorar.
I kind of wanted to mention the company I went with because everyone who was a part of this company made the experience like so much better. It's a really small company, so they don't get much recognition. The name of the company is Allpayacu Adventures, and I'll post their information in the description. But our guide Freddie, he's probably like the best tour guide I've had so far in any of my travels, and like his enthusiasm for showing everything is like amazing, and everyone is like super friendly and it's super authentic, like the whole experience. Along with him is Mr. Hummus, they call him. I don't know what his real name is, but he's more of like the backup. He's like the boat driver. He's always with us, like in case we need anything. And everyone just like is one big family here, like literally. And he's the owner. And so a lot of people working here are actually like part of his family or from nearby villages. So he's always like doing as much as he can to help support the villages and people nearby in nearby communities. And so all this money's going to a good cause. And we're actually gonna go see one of the villages. So I'm really excited about that. So if anyone wants to go to the Amazon, this is the company to do it with. I was telling all the people how great of a guide you are.
Oh.
Yeah. You sing. What else do you do? You sing,
He cooks,
cooks,
paints,
paints,
dances,
dances,
sings.
sings. This guy does everything. Survives in the
A
wilderness.
little bit.
Huh?
A little bit.
A little bit. No,
Of
man.
something.
They heard you sing.
But I don't know how to swim. Let's see.
That's definitely a lie.
Eu por eso amigo estou aqui. Dois amigos procurando encontrar felicidade.
We're at a small village near our lodge. This is actually the village where some of the people who are working at the lodge are living in. Founded in 1964, kind of recent. They are indigenous people, but they are actually have jobs around here, like fishing and stuff like that. You can see all the houses are super raised because of the water levels during the rainy season.
The water from the river.
There's so many kids here, so many houses along the path, and then all the kids just pop out the window. It's really cute. And the weather's really cool. Nice dramatic clouds in the back.
Mañana en sus ojos me encontraré.
Ukulele, right? What is it? Ukulele. We're about to jump in the Ucayali River. Oh shit! Oh, I wasn't filming this. We're about to jump into the Ucayali River in the Amazon River, or near the Amazon River. Oh shit! Oh, there's no one on the boat. We're about to jump in the Ucayali, baby! Last one. Is it cold?
It's really nice.
Really?
Ucayali! Ucayali! I go for the dolphins.
Yo, Cayman.
I got Freddy, bro. Don't worry. Cayman is scared of Freddy.
So Roberto,
Hola amigo, ¿qué tal?
our cook, always cooking bangers. Every meal, fuego. He's showing off a little bit, showing off. Gordon Ramsay of Peru. You know the salt guy, usted sabe straight honey. It's actually bees.
Es Roberto.
Oh, mucho?
Claro, amigo.
No, why Roberto
Yeah,
got tres esposas.
Tres, necesito. Starting our night safari part 2. Except today we're on the hunt for some caimans. We're gonna take the boat across the river and try to look for some 2 bright balls. And hopefully that's the caiman we're looking for.
The cushion is wet, so I will go without.
Debo pensarlo menos. Quizás debo soltarme más. Quizás si paso por el fuego. Quizás pueda empezar de nuevo. Paso por el fuego, paso por el fuego, paso por el fuego, paso por el fuego, paso por el fuego. Quizás debo pensarlo menos.
Already saw a caiman. I tried going closer to it.
Also flashlight. Look at eye. It's bright. Casi lo vemos. Una serra de una rama.
I did not see anything, but oh, look at all these. Oh.
¿Ah? ¿Cómo está? ¿No vale? Sí, ya. Vamos a... Good try, good try.
by you. I have no idea how he's taking the outside. Crazy.
Open your mouth, Hoodie.
I'm vegetarian, man. I'm vegetarian.
This is Arusha. No, this is a Harrison breakfast. Okay? The fresh water season. Okay, we're gonna release. Okay, Miguelita.
We're in the middle of some random lake in the Amazon, hunting for some caimans. I'm getting lit up by mosquitoes right now. Like every single part of my body just, there's at least like 2 bites. Freddie, our guide, is a beast. Wearing a t-shirt. I'm wearing a long sleeve, I'm still getting beat. I have no idea where we are, dude. We're in the middle of nowhere right now. The sounds are amazing. There's like so many different, I don't even know, like hundreds of different like sounds right now. Starting off our second full day in the Amazon. Today we're spending the whole day out there. Don't know exactly what we're doing, but we're gonna explore, do a hike, maybe fish. Weather seems a little cloudy, hopefully it doesn't rain, but it's not really something you hope for in the Amazon rainforest. So last night was really fun. The sounds, the whole darkness, really cool. And I think all your other senses become heightened because you can't really see anything. You're relying on your ears. One thing I noticed is that there's a lot of birds. Wherever you look, you see a bird flying, and it stops, and then you see another bird flying the opposite direction. So there's always at least one bird in your eyesight.
Oh yeah, Kendall Jenner.
Oh yeah,
Dude, baddest woman in history.
she looks so fake.
Stop.
This whole thing is an ant colony.
So we are on the ants colony.
We're on top of it.
It's like a 5 meter square, more or less. Oh, 5 meter diameter.
How deep do you think it goes?
4 meter.
4 meters.
Yeah.
And they're all blind, right?
Yeah, they're all blind.
Wow.
Only leave the pheromones, the liquid. And they're blind, they don't see it.
Was it blind?
Bésame y bésame mucho.
This is protective.
Freddie just made this cool decoration out of a leaf. Yo, this looks fire. I'll wear this the rest of the day. King of the Amazon. Thank you, Freddie.
From anti-mosquitoes.
Anti-mosquitoes?
Yes, yes. Smell good.
I think I'll take the mosquitoes, man.
Smell really good.
Dude.
The indigenous used to toast and eat. Uh-huh. Yeah. Come guys, smell. Yeah, it's really good.
Oh,
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's not bad.
interesting.
It looks like it's about to be like sacrificed.
Yeah. I do look like I'm about to be sacrificed. What is this?
For them.
Here.
What's this?
You're my minions. Oh, fan.
Oh, fan.
Bésame y bésame mucho, como si fuera esta noche la última vez. Bésame, bésame mucho, que tengo miedo a perderte después. Quiero tenerte muy cerca, mirarme en tus ojos, verme junto a...
Our guides are making us lunch today. We came on the boat for maybe 2 hours. And we just stopped at this spot and they're gonna help us make lunch. Freddie and Mr. Hummus coming in clutch with lunch.
You know they're letting girls in boy scouts now?
They are?
Why?
No, espero no avance.
Plátanos.
La pradera.
Yo, was that a line from Batman?
Ooh.
Some vegetable, beans, egg, onion, vainitas,
Where's the vegetarian option?
bananas.
Oh, the
Bananas.
Let's go.
No, some vegetable and some egg.
We got the spray.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mi chicos están caliente.
Yeah.
It's los chicos.
Los chicos?
Los is mis is yours.
Oh shit.
Come on, man.
And this is also where I learned that it's actually not Mr. Hummus, it's James. But it's pronounced hummus. And I just thought it was hummus. So, you know, learning new things today. They're working really hard to get us our lunch. So, very appreciative of that. We're just sitting around. We're not helpful. Hummus, maybe some vegetables.
Muhammad, he said he does it for a happy hour.
Oh yes, sí, sí. Luego.
There you go. I think we're coming to the end of the day tour. We did a little bit of fishing. The guides made us some lunch today. We just chilled, hung out, did a little bit of sightseeing. And luckily no rain throughout this whole thing, which is very uncommon. Overall, a great day.
King. Smooth.
Beautiful day.
Feel the heat.
When you're on the water looking for animals on the trees, you just have to look up the whole time. Because most of the wildlife is up there, not on the ground. One thing I was really impressed by during my time in the Amazon was how knowledgeable these guys are about the jungle. Their ability to use the resources around them to make life easier was incredible to watch. I can only imagine what else I would have seen if we spent a few extra days here. It's one of those places where no matter how long you stay, you'll always want to go back to one day. My hope is that by showing a small part of the Amazon, we'll get more eyes on saving this extremely valuable ecosystem that many call home. Time to head out. Had a great time here. Would love to come back one day. But for now, it's time to say goodbye. If you like this video, make sure to check out my other Peru video, which was us doing the Salcon K-Trek. Click here if you want to watch that. And if you want to see more of these videos in general, please subscribe and like this video. I don't get paid for this, so I tried to make the content as real as possible.